Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar really looks like we have the end of an ABC correction. We have a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the upside. It definitely maintained momentum really well. I think we have likely a nice five-wave uptrend, hopefully a wave one. I think this is an ABC correction, probably a wave two. I wish it would have bounced from a fib level. That would have given us a little more confidence, but boy, it definitely looks like the end of a wave two. If it is the end of a wave two, then this should be making higher highs, higher lows, most likely in a wave three, most likely continuing the uptrend on the very, very high time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now, but I definitely would be recommending longs. Hopefully, what happens is we get a decent pullback maybe today. Something like that would be the most ideal thing for me. Something like that for a wave one, wave two, and then eventually maybe today or tomorrow up for a big old wave three. Like I said on the 4 hour time frame, I'm hoping this is a one of three, two of three, and wave three of wave three. So definitely keep an eye out. If and when it does turn down, definitely throw your Fibonacci retracement on there to help you identify the end of a wave two. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.